Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Problem number 3. Pipe A can fill a tank in 30 minutes while pipe B can fill the same tank in 10 minutes and pipe C can empty the tank in 40 minutes. Okay, if all the pipes are open together, then how much time will be needed to make the tank full? Okay, see here they have given the 3 pipes. Pipe A, it takes 30 minutes to fill the tank. 30 minutes to fill the tank. Pipe B, 10 minutes to fill the tank. Pipe C, empty the tank in 40 minutes. So 3 pipes. Among those 3, the nature of 2 pipes, that is A and B, is same. See here, A and B. Nature is same. Nature is same. C, nature is different. Nature is different. Means for A and B, you have to add. For C, you have to subtract. So the nature of A and B are same, so we are adding, and the nature of C is different, so because of that reason we are subtracting. So now you take the values. 30, that is A, B and C. So next 10, next 40. So what is the LCM? 120 is the LCM. So 3 4s are 12. Next 10 12s are 12. Next 4 3s are 12. So now 120 divided by, see here, for A and B you have to add, means 4 plus 12 minus C you have to subtract, that is 3. That is 3. So now how much you are going to get? So 120 divided by 4 minus 3, that is 1, that is 13. So which is equal to 39 times 117, 3 divided by 13. So 9, 3 by 13 hours, that is option A is your right answer. So only the thing what you have to observe is how many inlets or outlets are doing the same nature of the work and different nature of the work. In this question, A and B are doing the same nature of the work, so because of that reason we have added 4 and 12. C is doing the different nature of the work, because of that reason we have subtracted 3. So after doing these things we got 9 3 by 13 hours, that is option A as the right answer. Okay, let's move on to the next problem, problem number 4. Through an inlet, a tank takes 8 hours to be filled up. Due to the leak in the bottom, it takes 2 hours more to get it filled completely. If the tank is full, how much time will the leak take to empty it? See, understand the question properly. Through an inlet, a tank takes 8 hours to be get filled up. Due to a leak in the bottom, it takes 2 hours more to be get filled. So ultimately it is filling. Ultimately it is filling. Means what? The speed of the inlet is more than the speed of the outlet. So see here, this is the inlet and this is the outlet. It is taking 8 hours. This outlet we don't know. This outlet we don't know. So if you open both the things simultaneously, then how much time it takes to be filled the tank? That is 2 hours more. 2 hours more means 8 hours alone, 2 hours more when you on the outlet also. So it is going to take 10 hours. It is going to take 10 hours. So now you have to calculate what is the time which it takes alone to empty the tank if the tank is full. Okay, so 8 hours. So outlet we don't know, So what is the LCM now? LCM is 8 into x, 8x. So 8x is the LCM. So 8x. So ultimately 8x divided by. So now the question arises whether we have to go for 8 minus x or x minus 8. 8 minus x or x minus 8, which one we have to consider? See here, according to the question we have to consider x minus 8. Why? See, ultimately at the end of the day it is filling, even though if you open the outlet. Means what? The speed of the inlet is more than the speed of the outlet, right? The speed of the inlet is more than the speed of the outlet. Means the time taken by inlet is less than the time taken by outlet, means the outlet time is more, means x is more, the outlet time is more than the inlet, that is 8 hours. So x is more than 8. So because of that reason we have to take x minus 8. If you take 8 minus x, then definitely you are going to end up with a wrong answer. Okay, so x minus 8. So that is, they are telling that 10 hours. So 10. So 8x is equal to 10x minus 80. So 2x is equal to 80, whereas x is equal to 40. So your answer is 40 hours. So your answer is 40 hours. So option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. So your answer is 40 hours. Okay. So let's move on to the next problem. Problem number 5. Two pipes P and Q can fill a cistern in 12 and 15 minutes. In 12 and 15 minutes respectively. Both are open together, but at the end of 3 minutes, P is turned off. In how many minutes more, okay, Q will finish the cistern? See here, two pipes P and Q can fill the cistern in 12 minutes and 15 minutes. Both are open together, but at the end of 3 minutes, P is turned off. At the end of 3 minutes, P is turned off. In how many minutes more will Q will finish the cistern? So P they are going to fill. So see here, 12 minutes, 15 minutes. So what is the LCM? 30, whether 15 is divisible by 12? No. 15 next multiple is 30, whether 30 divisible by 12? No. 45? No. 60? Yes. So 15 4 times 60, 12 5 times 60. So 60 by 5 plus 4, that is 9. So total time taken is 60 by 9. So per minute that is 9 by 60. Per minute 9 by 60. Like that they are going to work together for 3 minutes. So for 3 minutes it will be 3 2s are 6, 20. So in that 3 minutes, 9 by 20 of the job is completed. 9 by 20 of the job is completed. So what is the difference between these two? 11. So 11 by 20 is remaining. 11 by 20 is remaining. So who is going to complete this task? 11 by 20? Q will finish. Q will finish the 11 by 20th of the work. So total he takes 15 minutes. Q totally takes 15 minutes. So to complete 11 by 20, he is going to take 15 into 11 by 20. So 3 times and 4 times. So 33 by 4. So 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. So 0.5. So 8.25. So it is going to take 8.25 minutes more to complete, to fill the tank. So option D is your right answer. Okay. So what we have done here, we have done how much time they are going to take if both of them works completely. Okay. So we got 60 by 9. But they are working only for 3 minutes, means per minute how much time they are going to take, per minute how much they are going to fill, that is 9 by 60. 9 by 60. So for 3 minutes they are going to do the task. So into 3. So we are going to get 9 by 20. So what is the remaining? 11 by 20 is remaining. So how much time it takes to fill the tank? So 15 into 11 by 20, we got 8.25. Okay. So this is the methodology. We have one more methodology, a simple methodology. We can follow that one also. Ultimately, at the end of the day, the tank is going to be filled. The tank is going to be filled means 100% of the task is going to be done. 100% if you represent in the fraction, then it is treated as 1. Now see here, P 12 minutes, Q 15 minutes. P 12 minutes, Q 15 minutes. Both are working, P and Q. So 12 minutes and 15 minutes. 12 minutes and 15 minutes. So both are working for 3 minutes. Next, and after 3 minutes P left. So the remaining time Q works. So the remaining time is called X. So total work done by Q is 3 plus X. So see here what we have done, P 12 minutes. So in the bottom we have written 12. Q 15 minutes, in the bottom we have written 15. So in the upper part, how many minutes the P has worked? 3 minutes. Q, how many minutes it has worked? 3 plus X. So which is equal to 1. Both are working together? Yes. So ultimately how much you are going to get? 15 and 12. What is the LCM? 60 is the LCM. So now 12 5s are 60, 5 into 3 15 plus 15 4s are 60, 4 3s are 12 plus 4x is equal to 1. So now see here, 15 plus 12, how much you are going to get? 27 plus 4x is equal to 60, whereas 4x is equal to 60 minus 27, whereas 4x is equal to 33, x is equal to 33 by 4, which is equal to 8.25. The same thing you are going to get. Ultimately, at the end of the day, they are going to complete 100% of the task. So per minute 1/12 and here 1 by 15. So for 3 minutes 3 by 12, 3 by 15 and extra Q is working, that is called X. So 8.25 minutes it is going to take extra to complete the cistern. So your answer is D. So whichever method is feasible for you people, you follow that method. Okay, so let's move on to the next problem, problem number 6. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 20 minutes and 24 minutes respectively. And a third pipe C can empty the tank at the speed of 3 gallon per minute. So here they have given the speed of C. Here they have given the speed of C, 3 gallon per minute. If all the pipes are open together, the tank will be filled in 15 minutes. Okay, the tank will be filled in 15 minutes. Then the capacity of the tank is, if you identify how much time the C is going to take, okay, if you identify how much time the C is going to take, then definitely you can calculate what is the capacity of the tank, because per minute 3 gallon it is going to fill. How much time into those many gallons? Okay, so very simple. See here, 20 minutes, 24 minutes and here 15 minutes you have to take. See here, A and B same you have to add. So but after subtracting you are going to get 15. So see here, what is the LCM? LCM is 120. So LCM is 120. So 15 8s are 120, 24 5s are 120, 2 6s are 12. So now 120 divided by 6 plus 5. So see, if you want to identify, you have to subtract, that is 8. So which is equal to 120 divided by 11 minus 8, that is 3. 3 4s are 12, that is 40. So C takes 40 minutes to fill the tank. So C takes 40 minutes to fill the tank. So 40 into 3 gallons, 40 into 3 gallons per minute. So which is equal to 120 gallons. So option C is your right answer. 120 gallons, option C is your right answer. Very simple thing. A, B and C, see here, A plus B minus C is equal to 15. So A plus B, if you subtract 15 from this one, then you are going to get C. So because of that reason we have subtracted 8. So see here, A plus B minus 15 is equal to C. So if you want to calculate C, then you have to subtract the 15th part, that is we have to subtract 8. Because of that reason we have subtracted here. So we got 40 into 3, which is equal to 120. So C takes 40 minutes to fill the tank. So per minute 3 gallon it can empty. Therefore 40 into 3, 120. So option C is the right answer. Okay, let's move on to the next problem, problem number 7. A tank has a leak which would empty it in 8 hours. A tap is turned on which admits 3 liters a minute into the tank and it is now emptied in 12 hours. How many liters does the tank hold? You have to calculate the capacity of the tank. See here, a tank has a leak which would empty it in 8 hours. A tap is turned on which admits 3 liters a minute into the tank. Now the tank is emptied in 12 hours. Okay, so see here, 8 hours, 12 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours. What is the LCM? 24 is the LCM. So 12 3s are 8, sorry, 12 2s are 24, 8 3s are 24. So our answer is 24 divided by 3 minus 2, which is equal to 24 by 1, which is equal to 24. So a tap which is turned on, so it takes 24 hours, which takes 24 hours to fill the tank, okay, to fill the tank. So now per minute 3 liters it is going to fill. See here, 24 hours is equal to how many minutes? 24 hours is equal to, see here, 1 hour 60 minutes, for 24 hours it is 24 minutes into per minute 3 liters, per minute 3 liters. So how much you are going to get? See here, 6 4s are 24, 2 carry over, 6 2s are 12 plus 2 14. So your answer is 1440 into 3, which is equal to 3 zeros are 0, 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. So your answer is 4320 liters, that is option A. So see here, a tap 8 hours it takes to empty the tank. If one more tap is opened, now it is going to empty in 12 hours. Means at the end of the day it is emptying, means the speed of the tank which you are opening as an inlet is less. So we have calculated how much time it takes to fill the tank. If the tap is opened alone, then it is going to take 24 hours. So 24 hours means per hour 60 minutes. Like that, for 24 hours 60 into 24. So in a minute 3 liters, so into 3. If you do this, you are going to end up with 4320 liters as the answer. Here in the pipes and cisterns we have solved 7 problems. In those 7 problems, the first 3 problems are very basic. After that, we have solved 4 problems which is very important to your exam. You can expect the last 2 problems for a PO level. Max to max, you are going to get only these varieties of the problems. Almost we have tried to complete every variety. So maximum we have tried and we have shown you these many problems. So practice well, do the problems, okay, and go through the worked examples and the study materials. Take the test and practice well. Thank you.